Mr. Shafiq bin Zanin, lecturer for Coast School EGR 422, Plant Propagation and Nursery Management. My name is Ramika bin Rosman and these are my group members from Class 2E, which is Muhammad Syahidan bin Muhammad Imran, Nur Fazina Ain binti Muhammad Razman, Muhammad Amar Farhan bin Nasri, and Farahanis binti Ar-Rahman.
Okay guys, what is layering? Layering is a technique of plant propagation where the new plants remain at least partially attached to the mother of plants to make a new roots that can occur naturally through modified stem structure. Layering is a tried and true method of asexual propagation that does not require any special tools or controlled environmental conditions, like a mist bench to facilitate rooting. The technique required are usually used by home gardener and mastered by the home gardener. Layering techniques allow desired shrubs, vines, and indoor plants to be propagated using less space. Hard-to-root plants are propagated using layering techniques generally from roots more quickly with greater overall success than when they are propagated from cuttings methods. Layering can be started in the spring or early summer, and daughter plants are ready to be separated from the mother plants after 1 or 2 months. Layering has evolved as a common means of vegetative propagation of numerous species in natural environments. Layering is also ultralized by horticulturists to propagate desirable plants.
Types of layering. There are 5 techniques to propagate plants by layering. The first technique are simple layering that can be accomplished by bending a low-growing, flexible stem to the ground. Examples of plants propagated by simple layering include climbing, rose, Frasentia, and others. Next, second technique is the tip layering, in which tip layering is quite similar to simple layering. This technique among the simplest way to propagate softwood plants. Some examples of plants propagated by tip layering include purple and black raspberries, sweet potato, and trailing blackberries. The third technique was called as compound layering. That is almost. What is water layering? Okay, layering propagation is one of the most popular ways to get identical characteristics of the plant with the original one. There are many growth media that can be used on the air layering propagation process, such as potting soil, sphagnum moss, peat moss, cocoa peat, rock wool, and so on. But on this video, we will not utilize those growth media. We try something new that maybe nobody has ever think about this to be applied on their layering propagation. We use water instead of using those common growth media. The process are really simple and similar to the one that use other growth media. Water layering is a new method. Besides, we use the 5 types of layering. Water layering is also the simplest and easiest ways that has been introduced by farmers in India. The main material used is only water.
Now, I want to show how to do air layering using water. First of all, we need some equipment, which is knife, rope, bottle, and polybag. For material, we can use water and soil. Now, I want to show how to do it. This is a guava tree, and what we do first is put some water into the bottle. After that, take a knife and just do like this. if you can see, the root is already grow. And what we need to do is cut.
So, the disadvantage of water layering compared to other vegetative propagation method is this method is laborious and therefore expensive. 2. Only small number of layers can be produced from a parent plant, then when the same plant is used as a source of cutting buds or seeds. 3. A wider area is needed to grow stock plants to be able to produce a greater number of layers. 4. Bigger layers need special care to establish them indefinitely on the potting container. 5. Water layers generally have a shorter lifespan compared to plants with seed propagate rootstock. So, advantages of water layering compared to other vegetative propagation methods is: first, rooting success is more ensured through layering, including clones that will not root easily. 2. Water layering or marketing is relatively simple to perform. With a small number of plants, it can produce small layers with less skill, effort, and equipment. 3. Larger plants that are already mature can be produced in a faster time in mature calamansi or calamandin layering should continue bearing fruit.